What's up, everybody? Trade good day. Everybody trade good day. And Llama's fat bitch.
Yo, guys, is he high? It's the 500 points. This is 500 points in 2 minutes. We've gone up 1,100 points in 7 minutes. Points.
Is Llama gay?
Sometimes.
Yep. Hold on, Stevie. Before you leave real quick, get the fuck off my stage, buddy. Open. Welcome to the Traders and Haters podcast, guys. Max is currently at the dentist. So today is the pay to play morning show. You're here with the guy. So we're pay to play. Time to lose money. Oh. Ooh. Breakfast came early today. Chat. Get your pictures in. Looks like a whole grain multi-grain bagel, little fried egg with the cream cheese. Come on now. But we got to focus up here, guys. We got to focus up here. Charts are moving. We're about to start grooving here. If this level holds, you guys know how I feel about my fib levels. If this level holds, it can get bearish. If this can flip, then we can get bullish. But so far, it is looking very nice for the snipe. What was I saying before that? Before I got distracted with the breakfast. Not recording desktop audio. Please tell me. Javi is now a speaker in the chat. What are you trading, guys? Just click on the screen. Not ask the stupid questions today. It's on the chart. NASDAQ. Very simple. So far, fib level is going to work. This is looking kind of clean so far. This would be the 5-minute opening gap. I mean, the 5-minute opening orb here. Just tapped the midline of it. Very clean sell-off. Very interesting. Very interesting. I need a BDSM. Did I not just do one? Did you? I didn't just do an intro. I said traders and I'm not the greatest at them. I'm the wrong show, guys. Let's run it back. Wind it back. Good morning, everybody. Markets open. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Big Daddy Max is currently at the dentist. He does have to get some dental work. So it's me today. So we're pay to play, the pay to play morning show. We're going to try to make some chicken today. Tune in. We're not financial advisors. How's that, guys? You fuck with that? That was good? Did I do good? Was that a good one? The Doc Rivers was definitely looks good right there. All right, so look, guys, we're currently holding here. This is definitely, like I just mentioned on the prior candle, this is definitely an interesting level here. I need more confluence than that. Max request. Max?
What's up, everybody? We've out here at the dentist. Getting teeth done.
Yo, are you intoxicated?
What's up, everybody? Trade good day. Everybody trade good day. And Llama's fat bitch. And look at my teeth. Yeah.
Yo, guys, is he high? Can we get a 1 in the chat if Max is high? Guys, this is the fuck. I might have just clicked the button off this fucking trade, but Jesus Christ. 3 entries it gave us. Holy shit. Am I lagging? What's going on here? Is Max lagging or am I lagging? That guy is high, right? No lag for me. Yeah, it's Max. Okay, good. Yeah, guys. That guy's fucking high as shit. I wouldn't be surprised he drops 20 cons right now, just laying on the dentist chair. Clean traffic so far. That's a solid 70. Did anyone catch this? Solid 80-point move. Next minute gave us the exact entry again. Does anyone still see Maxi or is he frozen? Or is it just me? I can't tell. I'm in it up 400. Good job. Frozen. All right. We need to be more specific. Is Max frozen or am I frozen? Yeah, that guy's high as shit. Honestly, very high. This sell is breaking out. It looks like it can keep going. You want to see this next level of interest over here. Next level of interest here. If this can get a flipperooski and dumpy wumpy, then it can definitely extend the Wendy to the downside. Definitely could keep going. I need more, I need the story to get written a little more here. I still currently do not have any types of confluences. This was really just kind of a YOLO trade jumping in here. Gave the confluence here, gave the second, re-entry that I told you all about. And then from there, it's already gone for 100 points, guys. This was definitely very clean. I just didn't want to click the button. We got a little skibbity bibbity. Yep, correct. Might be looking like it's going for a Caucasian sweep. You guys know how we feel about the Caucasian sweeps. And yeah, I was definitely distracted with fucking Maxi. Pulled up high as a kite. Maxi pulled up in this motherfucker. Super high. More Nova. Looks like it was a Novocaine type of thing there. Take a look at it. Let's see what could happen here. 3-bar breakout would be interesting, but so far this level is definitely holding. 3-bar breakout is going. What price should I not trade Top Step? You shouldn't trade Top Step at all. I'm pretty sure Top Step gave very strict rules out. If it hits 5%, your account's getting blown. 3-bar just went into work. Yep, so far this sell that from up here, god damn, up 160 ticks, 160 points, currently floating, currently moving right now. At 5%, I'm pretty sure we get halted, guys. pretty positive at 5% we do get halted. This is looking like free range for the next 150 points it can go down. I just don't have good entry model criteria at all. This 3-bar would have been pretty decent. Entry pre 3-bar would have been good. Midline, you know, I'm just giving out too much sauce here, but yeah, 7% is the halt. Wow, 7% is a lot. I don't think we do 7% today. That would be ridiculous. That would be very ridiculous. What is that? CMK. Wow, very nice, very nice. 5%. I think it's like a temporary, yeah, like a 20-minute halt, like a 20-minute. Still got 5 more minutes until orb is created, guys. We want to see if we can at least get a decent. Current orb is 240 points. Wow. Where's Max? Llama sucks. You just been yapping. Oh, sorry. Did you want me to just YOLO trade you, fucking dumbass? Is that what you wanted? Who's some dumbass? Who's some unprofitable guy? Is that what you wanted, dumbass? You just wanted me to throw random trades out so your stupid ass could feel better? Is that what you wanted? Like, I didn't just say this sell here looks pretty good, dumbass. People jumped in it, dumbass. Where are you? I want to see you in the chat, dumbass. Where are you? Can you get your stupid ass back in the chat, dumbass? Of course he's gone. Pussy. Perfect tap here. Like I keep saying, for me, guys, for me, you guys know how I trade by now. For those that have been here, you guys know how I trade. I need multiple confluence. I'm not YOLOing a fucking sell because I'd like, you know, the bias that I have, or I like the area that we're in. I need more confirmation. But for you guys that are cool with one fucking confluence, there's multiple trades you could have jumped in here. And it's on my chart. The perfect 5-minute orb midline, sell off, breakthrough, 3-bar. Now we're back up to regular orb, perfect rejection. Even on ES, it's just sitting here. I'm not taking those trades. I don't jump into just one confluence. That's not how I catch 200 points. I don't get lucky with my 200 point trade, guys. At 21K, but oh my God, Darth, you're at 21 bans for today. Log out. If Darth doesn't log out today, guys, he's gonna get banned. For those that don't know, we need Darth to log out. He's up 21 bans already. Darth, how much are you currently up in the past 2 weeks? Trying to beat Danye. This isn't a game, Darthy. Not a game. You should only be trying to beat yourself, not somebody else. 3 weeks. He's up over 100K. Not beat yourself, guys. You should only compete with yourself, you fucking losers. Jesus Christ. There's the oof with the oof. Not enough confidence for me. Sell-off is going. The free range is going to come down to here, but guess what? I'm completely fine with not taking the trade. Very simple. Very, very simple. If I can see a good setup, I'll take it. But so far for me, nothing for us. Nothing for us. Stop loss for today. Yeah, just put your stop loss up here at 17,285. You'll be good. Put your stop loss up here. You'll be good. Put your stop loss all the way up here. 17,285. You'll be good. Jamal with the 3-bar for 5,500. Good job, Jamal. Nice. Very nice. I just made his mentorship money in one day. Congratulate. Orb is still not established. We're still dumping. And I'm not surprised. Honestly, just not surprised. I don't like any of this dog shit, honestly. Dude, that 786 dude. Yeah, I'm gonna see what it does, but honestly, I'm not a fan of seeing things hold twice. Like, I don't expect it to come down here and shoot. I'll see if it does, but I wouldn't like expect a bounce from there. Athena 650 and out. Good job, Athena. What is the top step rules? I don't use top step. I have no idea about the top step rules. I do know that they will liquefy your accounts. That's what I do know. I did see something about that. I do know they will blow your account if fucking dumb shit happening here. Gonna get a pullback or not? Orb is created in the next 15 seconds. So overpay to play. I DM'd you about your teeth, looking to get mine done. Do I look like a dentist, buddy? Do I look like a dentist? Not DM me about teeth. Don't DM me at all, honestly. Not DMing me about trading or learning how to trade. You can look everything up. All right. Orb is created. That is a thick ass 15-minute candle. Very thick 15-minute. Might be able to catch a little breakout, but like an 80-point move is not bad. Top step set at 5%, they will liquefy your position. Correct. I did see that as well. What is the difference between futures 1 mastermind and the mastermind futures? The mastermind futures is just Max's strategy. The futures one is a mixture of me and Max with, I think we had 5 or 6 very special guests teaching, and not regular guests. We had multi-million-dollar guests. We had guys that are up over $10 million teaching for us, and live trading guests. Correct. I forgot. We also did have guests live trading as well. It was actually obnoxious. I think it's very underpriced. I would love for this area to hold here. If this area can hold and we start to see a flip around, that would be interesting. If it breaks through, then I think it's gone. This is very nice level. This looks like that midline of the Midline of orb here. Midline of orb here. Honestly, how far is this? If this is not big, 175 ticks. I would just YOLO a sell for risk to reward here, but that's a big ass stop loss for a YOLO. My YOLO is very like, you know, like a 50, 40 ticks, and I take them. But so far, I wouldn't take this YOLO as much as I would like to. It looks like it's gonna go here. Strong 15-minute candle. Very strong 15-minute. 5-minute opened up with force. Clean break. Clean break. That's a clean 3-bar over the midline. This is gonna go to topside. It's gonna go to topside at least, guys. The clean V right there. That little V here. Thing is, I don't like entries anywhere. I don't like to just YOLO an entry. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but just because I have a bias doesn't mean I take a trade. And so far, no entry for me. If we can catch, you know, back over here to midline, somewhere around here, I would take entry, but so far, no entry for me. I'm trying to find some type of criteria where I can get in, but yep. It looks like a goner. The smallest candles are 50 points, correct, which is why I'm not just YOLOing. Like, let's look for the smallest candle. The smallest candle of the day, 50-point candle. This is why I'm not just jumping into a trade for that dumbass that said I just been yapping. There's a reason I'm profitable, because the smallest candle today is 50 points, and I'm not just jumping into trades. Look at that, second smallest 70 points. This wasn't a bad trade here. This little 3-bar break over midline wasn't bad, but I need more than that. There goes topside orb, just like that. I need some help with the TBT row for program. How much I make in one trade? 50%. If you're on evaluation, you can only make 50%. Once you are on the pro account, there is no rules. You can make however much you want. I just wouldn't trade pro accounts today. Let's see. 3-bar break out of orb would be very interesting. So far, absolutely nothing. It's going for 973. Don't know what that is. Remaining inside orb. This is that topside orb shit here. Topside orb here. See if it stays inside orb and oh, frozen. Am I frozen here? Am I lagging? Hello? Do you guys see my trading view not moving?
You're good to me, Llama. I can see it.
My trading view isn't moving at all. Okay. It's teleporting. My trading view is, this is why trading view is fucking dog shit. Because my trade evade is moving just fine. All right, we're back. Wow. Yep. Trade evade's moving. Trade evade isn't. Trading view, trade evade, trading view. Fuck. Closure inside orb here. This is interesting. I'm just not a fan of none of this. Honestly, not a fan of none of this. I have a question. How many of you guys can sit in front of the computer and not take a trade? I'd love to know. How many of you can sit in front of your computer and not take a trade? I paper trade. That's not the correct answer. That means you cannot. I can. Me. I see a lot of me's. Okay. How many of you have already taken a trade? A lot of trades. A lot of trades. No discipline. Honestly, that's what it looks like. No discipline. Nice though. It's not bad. There's the breakout. Clean up move. Oh my God. Just completely melted and exploded. Bias right on both. 0 trades taken. I full ported twice. Nice. Good fucking job, buddy. Good fucking job. You know what was the craziest thing about Europe, guys? Anybody want to know what was the craziest thing about Europe? I'll tell you the craziest thing about Europe. Everything we do here is for entertainment purposes. We're not financial advisors, guys. Everything we do here is completely free. And if you guys do want to enjoy the Discord, we have so many free tools that you can go and use. We have Trump tweets, very large community chat with all these types of questions and concerns that can get answered. Honestly, an amazing Discord, guys. We have bots, gamma bots, all types of promo codes, everything that you guys can use here, guys. It's actually quite amazing, and we are just not financial advisors. Everything we do here is for entertainment purposes. This is why I have not called any type of trade, because I'm just a random guy just sitting here just enjoying my morning with you guys. We are currently ripping to the top side. You know, I'm just not surprised, but there is no entry model for me. There is nothing. If you guys do know how I trade, you would see here that there is nothing I would have entered off. Nothing at all. If this had printed a little higher, maybe I take this trade, but it didn't, so I didn't like it. Yes, looked pretty good, but so far there was absolutely nothing I would have taken a trade. Why is there no entry, buddy? You can learn that in the mentorship or in the Futures One section. I will not be telling you why there's no entry criteria. For those that do know, no, there was nothing going on for me. No entry. There was YOLO trades. A lot of YOLOs you guys could have got in and potentially blown your accounts because you guys are degenerates, but it's okay. It is okay. There is a lot of degenerates in the chat, and that's completely fine. This guy said, then fuck it, tell us about Europe. Europe was cool, bro. I caught a nasty bug, bro. I was fucking throwing up one day. It was fucking terrible. Actually terrible. It was actually terrible. But Europe was a good time. Did I enjoy the Barca game? Yes, I went to 2 Barcelona games. It was actually very, very. The first game they won like 4-1. And then the second game I did like a VIP experience where I was on the field and we sat like in the 3rd row. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. Very expensive though, honestly, very expensive. I definitely got cooked. I would love to take a trade right now and make my money, but not a fan. Just not a fan. Not a fan of the price action. Not a fan of the price action. A lot of indecision. I told you guys from the start of the morning, there is a lot of indecision today. And there we went for a trading view doesn't even open. Trading view is just frozen here. But like I mentioned, a lot of indecision. We got a 300 point down move, 400 point up move, choppy chop, as mentioned. Not surprised. Not surprised. Yeah, my trading view doesn't even open. So this is just asking me to blow my account if I want to take it. Where still can't even just open up a specific time frame. Clean V-shape recovery that we were looking for, but no entry model for me. So no trades taken. There's no point of forcing a setup, guys, if the money gets made regardless. I do not chase the money because the money starts to run. And as you can look at me and my body, a fan of running. Is that a video of me on the field? Look at that video. A nice video. Walking on the field. Look at that skinny young man. They actually confused me as a player. I had a few people come up to me asking me to sign their jerseys because I looked like a player. I looked like I was on the Barcelona team. How did you get on the field? You pay to play, buddy. Like anything in life. If you got money, you can do anything you want in life. Yeah, we're just fucking ripping. It finally opened up, and in those 5 minutes it took to, oh my god, it's frozen. Look like Lamine Llama, correct? Yeah, guys, my shit's fucking taking forever to open up. Clean 3-bar continuations. It's clean, but not my criteria. I would love this big ass gray box as a gap fill. I don't even want to click on another time frame. I don't even want to click on another time frame. And I do it regardless, and we're fucking ripping. They thought I was the starting meal keeper. I mean goalkeeper. That was actually funny, Wizard. Congratulations. I'll give you a fucking round of applause. That was a good one. That one actually made me laugh, even though I didn't laugh, but it was good. MOT orb indicator is currently up 200 points. Very nice, Logan. I would love that indicator. It'd be great if, if I can get it. That'd be fucking awesome if, I can get the indicator. That'd be amazing. And my trading view is freezing. Usain Bolt worries about llama. Correct, he does. We currently have 1,100 people in here. You know what I'm thinking about doing here? Oh, it's 236 level. Very interesting here. I wonder if we go for the gap fill and just shoot all the way up. Currently at the midline of the gap here. This is this gap here. If we can break over and hold this 236, I wouldn't mind getting in along and all of this money. This does hold. I will be shorting. What was I gonna say? 1,100 people here. I am interested in bringing somebody up. No, I don't want to tell you guys about Europe. Europe wasn't that much fun, to be honest. Who wants to come up? Anybody want to come up and participate in a free 50K account giveaway? Anybody interested in that? Anybody interested in earning yourself a free 50K account where you have to do absolutely nothing except for have a camera on and just come up? There's the break. This is clean. This is ripping. Jesus fucking Christ. My God, what a move we're having here. Jeez Louise, what a move we're having here. Holy, it's ripping here. All right, it's looking like we have a lot of people. Let's pull up the random number generate one. Oh my God, people are dropping like flies. Random number 443. God damn, right in the fucking middle. Holy shit. Wow, I do not want to count this. This is gonna be a headache. CRZY, crazy. Welcome to the show. You know the rules. Cameras on or you gotta go. Where are you, buddy? You got about 10 seconds here. Let's get you with your cameras on. Currently looking like a nice dumpy wumpy. Where is he? Did ES fill the gap or no?
Just give me a seckie. I'm trying to put my camera on. I wasn't expecting, so.
Always expect the unexpected here. You have a chance to win a free 50K account, guys. Free 50K account.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go. Very interesting. Crazy. Is your name Crazy or is it a CRZY77?
No, it's just the game attack that I had for a while, and my Discord's always been about gaming, so it's just a game attack that I have.
What games do you play, Harry Styles?
Been into Marvel Rivals, but it's been mainly Call of Duty back in the days, and then also sort of simulator games, that being racing or anything like that.
Nice, very nice. Okay. So, are you a trader?
Yes, only recently started, around about end of February, March. So I do have a funded account right now. Been trading, doing okay, trying to take it as easy as possible, but obviously psychology is the biggest part of the trading. But I'm getting there.
Excellent, bro. Okay, good to know. Very good to know. How long have you been in the Discord with us?
I believe I joined a while back, but wasn't pretty active, and been more active, but not really talking much, but joining the lives for about 3-4 weeks now.
So you've been
No.
here a while now.
Yeah. So I think
Yo,
it's about 3.
why do you look like that guy?
I'm not sure who that is, but I do really look like that guy. Yeah.
All right. Damn, this is looking clean. I like this here. Damn, I really like that. Let's ask you a question here. Let's get a question out the way. Are you German? I assume you're German.
Yeah, I am German. Originally from Namibia, but German, yeah.
Nice.
German heritage.
Nice. What do they eat there?
Okay, well, are you talking of where I was born or in the German country itself?
No, in Germany. What is there to
In
eat out
Germany.
there?
There's always the Spätzle, Bratwurst, Schnitzel.
What is that? What are you even naming right now?
All right, so Spätzle is like if I remember correctly, it's like sort of an egg noodle type of thing. Very thick noodle. And then Bratwurst type of sausage, very thick sausage, girthy sausage.
Sounds gay.
It does. And then Schnitzel is just chicken or pork, shoulders with crumbs or whatever, or chicken breast, crumbed.
Breast sounds a little straighter, but okay, very interesting. Let's get some questions out of the way. You said you're a trader. How long have you been trading? Did I ask that already?
Yeah, so you did ask, but I think officially, properly, like getting into it, maybe about a month and a half.
You've been trading for a month.
Month and a half, yeah, properly like being on the charts, trying to learn it, take the orb indicators, and actively learn and work on it.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna ask you a very I'm gonna give you a difficult question for the first
All
one.
right.
Okay. Hope you can respect it. First question, I'll give you about 10 seconds. I'm putting out the timer on you guys. I'm not dealing with bullshit today. Okay. We're putting out timers. We're keeping it very legit. You know that I keep things, timer. I'll give you 15 seconds to answer every single question. Okay. You ready? All right. When I click play, you got 15 seconds. If you're wrong, you're fucking out of here. All right,
Yeah.
Schnitzel? Ready.
Yeah, as I can be.
What is orb?
Opening breakout range. So it's the first 15, or depending on the minutes that you want to have, but it's a
What is
specific
orb?
range.
What is orb?
Opening range breakout. It's an indicator.
I had dyslexia. I thought he said opening breakout range. I thought he said OB. All right. Very good. Hey, that was very good. Hey, that was a good one. Yeah. That was me. That was me, guys. Hey, that was me. I thought he said it backwards. Hey, good job. Second question. We're gonna keep it very simple. We're gonna ask you very simple questions, guys. Very simple questions. What is a fair value gap? Just the acronym.
FVG,
What does it mean?
fair value gap.
Oh
That means-
shit. What the fuck
Yeah.
did I just ask him? Fuck. Just gave this guy a free question. Guys, I gave him a free question. Oh my
Confused the crap out of me.
my brain's not working yet. My brain just isn't working right now. All right, we're gonna have to pull out a tricky question, guys. We're gonna have to pull out a tricky ass question. Yo, mods, someone give me a fucking question, guys. I can't think right now. Can't think, guys. I can't think.
Europe seems to have had quite a.
What the
Got an
fuck did I
impact.
just ask him? That question's crazy. What did you just ask, Nick? That's a terrible. I don't even know the answers to that. No, we need a good question, guys. I just gave him a free question. We need to give him a good one. I just gave him a free answer. He needs one. All right, come on. Let's get a good one, guys. We're running a show here. I still need to take a trade. Come on. Nah. I don't like that question, Paulin. That's too easy. I don't like nothing. What's the name? Oh, that's not a bad one. Here. Ask him a sports question. Let's ask him one of those. Do you watch sports?
Yeah, mainly. Okay, you guys call it soccer, so I watch soccer, Formula One, That's roughly it. And then rugby as my home sport.
Okay. Ask him about basketball. You guys are fucking assholes.
I mean, I'm willing to give it a shot, but I have no idea if I'm going to answer anywhere close to correct. But I'm happy to give it a shot.
Oh man, guys, can I get a good question, bro? God damn, you guys are asking about bullshit. I just gave him a free question, guys. Like, fuck, I'm an idiot. It was terrible. Long is longing. Yes, of course it's longing. There goes gap fill. Oh my god, that was gross. That one. This is a 1 minute candle, 60-point candle. All right, let's focus up here, guys. Margaret Robbie or Gal Gadot? Who the fuck is Gal Gadot? No, Margaret Robbie fine ass. She's fine as hell. God damn. All right. Let's get a good question going. What is the name of Javi's new indicator? Go.
Of Harvey's new indicator.
Yeah, figure it out. You got 10 seconds.
I don't even know who Harvey is, but maybe it's the EMA script indicator. I'm not sure. I have no idea.
Brother, look at the
quantum shift.
chats.
Okay.
Look at the
Quantum
chats. The quantum shift indicator.
Oh, well, the rules have always been don't look at the chat and keep your hands
That's
up.
never been a rule ever. We let everybody look at the chat. And you know what, Schnitzel? We appreciate you for being here. We appreciate you for being on the show. Next time, remember, always look at the chat. Everyone always gets it wrong. Everyone. Our chat's full of dumbasses. So we let all the dumbasses help each other. And you know what? You know what, brother? Get off my damn stage. Yo, we gave him a free question. We gave him a free question. We gave him a free question, guys. And what was this 2 minutes right here? You see the guy, like, you guys want me to just YOLO? You want me to just YOLO trade? This is the 500 points. This is 500 points in 2 minutes. Yo, that was 500 points in 2 minutes. And you guys want me to just YOLO a trade in? This is 500 points. We're back green on the day. Yo, what just happened? 10-10. Someone tell me what the 10-10 is. Quick. What's 10-10? Oh my God. My boy just texted me. He's up $102,000. End of macro. This guy's a dumbass. It's the 10-10 macro, guys. The 10-10 macro. Look at this picture I just got. Focus up, bitch. $110,000. Look how funny this is. I send him the long and he says that's a cap move, bro. And now he sends a screenshot up 102. Oh my God, it's still ripping. Oh, fuck. That's 1,000 points in 5 minutes. You know what's funny here? I bet you if I pull out the 1 hour fib and I go like this, and then I just go like this and I look for my 9 o'clock candle and I go like this, I bet you we find some shit. We don't find nothing, bro. Holy shit. Previous day 50 though. I would love to sell that right there. Wait, guys. Do we not see up candle here and down candle here? What is happening? What is happening? Do you guys see what I'm seeing? We're on the 1 minute on both. What is happening? This is another up candle and this is a down candle. Look at the price difference. This is a 100-point price difference. Yo, do you guys see this or am I tripping? Do you guys see this or am I tripping? This is a down candle. This is an up candle. What the fuck is happening? Do not trade, right? I cannot trade. Holy shit. Bro, did you guys just see what I just saw? Look. It's still happening. We're going down here and we're going up here. What the fuck is happening? Am I delayed? What's happening right now? 15. What is happening? Bro, what is happening? Trade evade is delayed? How is trade evade delayed? Trading View will never be on point and Trade evade isn't. Bro, I would sell the fuck out of this. I would sell this shit crazy. I honestly would sell the previous day 50 is always a sell for me. We're green as fuck on the day, bro. What is happening? Darth is up 42,000, buddy. They're gonna blow your fucking accounts, buddy. You think you're gonna withdraw that? They're gonna tell you your shits are blown. GG. They're gonna tell you, buddy, you're cooked. Bro, I literally told this guy last night this was the bottom. We're up 1,700 points. And he said, nah, bro. This is not the bottom. Now he sends me a picture up 150 bands. Oh shit, what the fuck is happening? Why does my trading view look completely different from my trade evade? It still looks weird. Like, look at this. I kind of just want to throw a trade in just cuz now. Who wants to throw a trade in? What do we do here? Bro, what is happening? It's been 7 minutes. We've gone up 1,100 points in 7 minutes. Points. Wow. Oh, man. Holy look at this. It's still ripping off my screen and this is wicking out. What is happening? Look, green, red. Inverse here. The thing is, my charts look different. I don't even want to take a trade now. My charts look completely different. As much as I want to sell this shit so bad. Can I go over my fibs, buddy? I can go over my fibs in the mentorship section, where I go over my fibs, or in the features one section, but I will not go over my fibs. Where's the VIX, bro? Where is the VIX at? This is what we need. The VIX at. Fucking open anything. VIX is at 35. Holy shit. Okay, I jumped in a sell here. I jumped in a sell, and I'm currently fucking 106 in profit already. My shit's not even loading up. I'm 100 points in profit already. Guys, I jumped in a sell, and I'm currently up $1,000 with 5 micros. Do I go break even here? Yo, I'm up 150 points with 5 micros. Nah, bruh. Nah, bruh. What is happening? Yo, I'm 200. What the fuck? I need a partial out here. Partial. Oh, I sold. That was the wrong thing. I'm getting out. I meant to buy. I sold. Oh my God. I just sniped that 1 minute candle. Yo, fuck is happening? Yo, 182.59. That was over 200 points in 1 minute. 1882 minus 17,975. 200 points in 1 minute. And I wanted to partial out and hold, but that scaling scared me. Is my trading view open yet? It is. Wow. Bro, I just caught 2 bands with 5 micros. I didn't even want to get in with 5. I wanted to get in with 10. All right, guys. Well, look, there's that one trade, one and done. Patience pays. What the fuck is happening right now? We just caught 200 points. Did anyone take that with me? Yo, Llama, we are literally glitching out the matrix. No joke. We're seeing ahead, watching the moves, trading view. I don't think that's what's happening. But wow. Wow. Kramer indicator cooked today. Yeah, that sell was pretty golden, bro. That sell was pretty. Just look how my charts look though. So ugly. Like I loved how it looked here, but like, well, I didn't like this, but this looked way cleaner for the pullback. My entry is now down another 200 points. I'd be up 400 points right now. Yo, let's bring on another guest here. I need to give away an account. Guys. It's 10:30. It's getting late here. We caught our one trade. What the fuck is happening here? Trump has considered a 90-day pause on tariffs for all countries except China. Fuck China. Fuck China. Oh my God, Jamal Llama, 30K boss. Thank you for teaching me things. What you teach me. These are the type of texts right here. These are the type of texts that you want to see as a mentor, guys. This is what you want to see here. Focus up here, bitch. Pay too much for this fucking camera. 30K. 30K, Jamal. Congratulations, brother. Thank you, Llama. I just almost blew my TBT eval by 400 bucks and came back and made 1,800. Now I'm done. Good job, Angel. Very nice. Let's get a guest up. Let's get a guest up for a free account. Straight boner, boys. I told you guys the sell looked really good, and that one was that sell is down currently from where I jumped in at 600 points. 600 points. It's down 600 points. Let's get the random number generator out. What a fucking move that was. Holy shit. I'm astounded. 5 micros. $2,000. 5 micros, $2,000. I'm astounded. 834 people. Let's get a number out. 497. It's always so far. 497, bro. 497. Oh, I got to 49 and it reset. No way, bro. 497, bro. 490, 491, 492, 493, 494, 495, 496, 497. Not verified? There's no way I just went through that count for you to not be fucking verified. There's no way you just made me count twice for you to not be fucking verified. Mods, throw the verifications in the fucking chat. I'm not doing that shit again. The next person that's not verified is getting fucking banned. I'm not fucking around. I did not just count that bullshit for you to not be verified. What the fuck, bro? Next person's fucking banned, bro. Jesus Christ. Wow. I did not just go through that. Holy shit. Fuck you. 804, bro. 803. Jesus Christ. 802. Everyone's dropping like flies. 27. All right, that's not bad. 272. 272. 9, 11, 12, 13, 27, 270, 271, 272. Oh my God. My dad's fucking calling me right now. Probably shitting himself. S90 at S90. Where the fuck are you, buddy? You better get on stage right now. If not, you're fucking banned. I promise you. I'm gonna get fucking banned here. S90RNY. Wow. that dumped a whole 500 points after my exit. If I partialed out, I hold the fuck out of that. S90RNY, welcome, brother. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show.
How are you doing?
I'm doing excellent. How are you doing?
Just listening to this funny as hell reactions show in the office. So I've just snuck into a meeting room.
Are you from Scotland?
No, I'm not. I'm from Leeds in England.
Where the hell is that? Oh, England. You're English.
Yeah, Yorkshire.
What did you have for breakfast today?
Just a bit of porridge.
A bit of what?
Porridge.
Porridge.
It's like oats and milk. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Noth-
like the Jamaican, the Jamaican oatmeal.
Nothing
Yeah.
exciting.
Yeah, there's not shit to eat in England. I'll tell you that much. I'm not excited to go over there. I just had to ask. I heard they eat beans and toast for breakfast. Is that true?
That is very true. And don't knock it until you've tried it. Trust me.
How often do you go to the bathroom?
On a beans week, a couple of times a day for sure.
That's obnoxious. That is very obnoxious. Very obnoxious. All right, brother. So how long have you been trading for?
I've only actually been trading for probably about 6 months.
Okay, very
Not
good.
too long. I've only recently found the orb strategy and this channel, and kid you not when I say I've only been watching you guys a week.
Okay. Well, I
So-
got some
so I'm
questions
new.
coming for you. Got some
Okay.
questions coming for you. I still have my breakfast untouched. I would love to eat this anytime soon, guys. My first question here, it's gonna be very simple. You're gonna have 15 seconds to answer this question. Handy dandy
Okay.
timer out. I'm gonna give you 15 seconds, okay? How long
Okay.
have you been trading in general, you said?
Probably not even 6 months.
6 months. 6 months is a long time, buddy. So I'm gonna ask you a
Oh.
very simple question here, and if you don't answer it, if you don't know the answer, feel free to look at the chat. They might either be trying to help you or trying to sabotage you. So make sure you choose correctly. There's only one
Okay.
correct answer. All right, let's get it started here, brother. Good luck.
Go.
What are my 2 strongest levels on my Fibonacci?
0.236. Is that one of them?
3 seconds.
786.
Very good. Very good. It is on the chart here. As you can see on the chart, there's only a 786 and a 236. Those are the most important areas of interest on my Fibonacci. If you do want to learn more about it, you can go to the Futures 1 section and purchase the Futures 1 course, or you can hit me up directly for mentorship. Very good answer. I'm very impressed by you. It's not like you read the chat or anything or saw my screen.
No,
I can tell you
I cannot see the chat.
I can tell you're a very dedicated trader. So I'm very proud of you. Second question. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready. From England, you said. Very interesting. Very interesting. Mods, can I get a question here? Like, can I get some help from the mods? You know what? Let's bring Kyle on. You know, Kyle, where are you, Kyle? Get your dumbass on stage. Get your dumbass on stage, Kyle. You just got handpicked to ask him a question, Kyle. Get your dumbass on stage. We have a police officer as a moderator. So if your next question is wrong, he will arrest you. Kyle,
Okay.
what are you waiting on, brother? Come on. You're holding up the show here. Camera's on. You know the show, Kyle. Camera's on or you gotta go. Hey, Kyle!
I had to wrangle the baby.
Hey, with the baby! The most profitable baby in the chat. Let's get a question for him, Kyle. He's been trading 6 months. He's been in the chat for quite some time. And
Are you profitable?
England.
What's your name, man?
Steve.
Steve, are you profitable?
I wasn't on the first account. I am on the second.
So you've only had
Jumped in
2
a bit too
accounts
early.
in 6 months?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Took it very slow.
Most people have blown about 50 by now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you've been watching about a week. I seen it earlier, and I really like this question. Are you familiar with let's see. So you've been watching a week, so I think Max has been on since then. So what is Max's strategy number 4?
Before.
He's not a student.
Number 4.
How do you know that?
The chat knows.
No. You don't give out. No. New question. You don't give out.
It's not sauce. It's not sauce.
All right.
I
I'll run
promise
this number back. Go ahead and trust the chat.
YOLO. That's what everyone's putting.
So-
Reverse YOLO.
Just one word that goes in front of it. You got 5
Right.
seconds.
Yeah. Reverse YOLO. There it is.
Reverse.
So
Yeah.
anytime Max YOLOs, you got to reverse it. And it's
Yeah.
obviously not financial advice, but
Yes,
No.
historically speaking, pretty good bet.
Yeah, so historically speaking, Max's 4th strategy, it has about like a 96% win rate. Can someone get the percentage in the chat? When Max decides to YOLO his account, all you have to do to be a profitable trader is do the opposite of whatever he does. And you will 96% chance win your trade. That's Max's fourth strategy. It's just do the opposite of him and you will pass your account. Very good question. I'm very impressed.
Only when he says he's YOLOing. Only.
Yeah.
Only.
I'll keep that in mind
Alright.
for sure.
Fourth question here, Stevie. Fourth question here, Stevie. Let's keep this one very simple. Trading. Okay. This one's gonna be easy. We've talked about it today. It's been all over the news. You got 15 seconds. One word. Why is the market so volatile this past week?
Trump.
What about him? What was he
Tariffs.
talking about? Trump tariffs has the market going absolutely berserk. We're looking currently, look at this last minute, a 200.1 minute candle. Holy. And that is 3 for 3. We got 3 for 3 by Stevie, the English genius. Congratulations, Stevie. Open up a support ticket, send your credentials over, and we will get your account. 50K Take Profit Trader account. Just make sure you are signed up with Take Profit Trader. So when I transfer the account over to you, there is an account that can collect the credentials.
Sure thing, will do.
And then last question for me, Steve, is Llama gay?
Sometimes.
Yep. Hold on, Stevie. But before you leave real quick, get the fuck off my stage, buddy. All right. We got him off. Kyle, any last words, brother? Shut the fuck up. Get off my stage. He thought he was going to answer that one. Shut your dumb ass up, Kyle. Good ass. Oh, man. It's nothing better than just being able to kick people off the stage. It just feels great, honestly. Stevie, make sure you do open an account. We will get your account over to you. That was honestly great. Another trade. I don't think so. Big ass up move. This up move was not as catchable. Sell off just made way more sense. We're back red, 200 points. I wouldn't be surprised if we keep melting for the rest of the day. I really wouldn't. I had told bro yesterday that this daily candle was so extended to the downside. I had to make a topside wick. There goes its topside wick. And it was fucking beautiful. Very simple. One trade. As you can see, I've been sharing my screen the whole day. One trade for the whole day. Didn't jump into bullshit. Didn't jump into the madness. Caught a 1 minute trade. Made $2,000 on 5 micros. 5 micros. Not over leveraged. Did not put too much risk on the account. Didn't do no bullshit. Definitely market was tricky. I'll tell you that much. Pretty ridiculous. But clear my timer. Timer's off already. I think, what time is it? 10:37. We've been on for an hour. What do you guys want to do? I'll leave it up to the chat. You guys want to sit around here? You guys want to for a trade, or should we get out of here? What is my lot size? I just said 5 micros about 6-7 times, buddy. If you want to look more into my lot size, my YouTube video, definitely my YouTube has all my lots. You can see everything. I post live trading. I post actual live trading left and right. And give me another account, please. This guy's a dumbass. Give account. If the next person I see say, give me an account, you're banned. How's that sound? Can I give you a ban? How's that? First day on the pros from Bruce Wayne, 1800. Very nice. Very, very nice, Bruce Wayne. Very nice. Congratulations. Very, very nice. We need Strat 4 Llama. Darth, I promise you, if you post a screenshot with another trade, you're banned. I promise you. I do not care what anyone has to say about that. Your video on groups and trade was nice. A lot of people do have questions on how to trade copy, how to group trade, and I posted a video. So if you do want to learn how to trade copy and how to group trade, go ahead and check out the YouTube. Video's there, explains everything pretty in detail. I think I did pretty well on that video. I have another banger video coming out. It's going to be from the trades that we took while I was in Europe with actual withdrawal proof. You know, a lot of people can't post. A lot of people can't post live trading. A lot of people can't post real proof. A lot of people can't post withdrawals. A lot of people can't just be transparent. One of the easiest things to do. Should I show a sneak peek? Ask the chat. Does the chat want to see a sneak peek? I don't really care. If the chat wants to see a sneak peek, give it to them. Post the YouTube here for you guys that do want to check out the YouTube. I appreciate the love on the YouTube. I did post a banger today on Instagram. I am considering doing a giveaway to whoever likes, comments, and puts on their story, but it's already too late. It is already too late. MOT, let's check it out. MOT, let's see the sneak peek you have for us here. What do you got for us here, MOTZ? I'm on Pro Plus. I don't have consistency. No, he doesn't. He is on a Take Profit Trader account, and if you do want the best, and I repeat, the best discount codes, then use code BDM or code P2P and you will get the best discount codes. And there is a higher probability of passing your accounts if you do use those codes. It is a proven fact. Why as soon as I went in today, I was minus 400? Because the market is obnoxious. The market is moving very much, I've been talking about all day, but you guys are, trying to take a bunch of trades on a day that you're not supposed to trade. Nick, I gave you the screen, brother. Whenever you want to, Mexican Llama, have a great day, my bro. Pulling up the intro. Whatever you want. 3 trades, they went well. Very good, Ego. Congratulations. Darth made about 40K today. Darth is killing the game. Darth is killing. Let's see this. I posted this trade. This shit's up 320 ticks, guys. We're up 80 points on the other side of the fucking world here. 400 points and trailing right under candle, right under my 2-3 selling, right under that. Take one there. I'm gonna scale another one at the 7/8 through. I'm gonna scale another one or for the print through. I'm only in with one. That's it. Video's ass. Make sure to unsubscribe. Make sure to unsubscribe. Any other questions, guys? I will not be taking another trade. I am one and done. Very simple. I would never take another trade after literally sniping 200 points and being 500 down from my entry, which was like at fucking 800, like 600, 700 points down from my entry. There was no point of me taking another trade. And there goes 200 points. 200 points. One trade, guys. Were you using the mouse pad on the laptop to trade? What does that even mean? Of course I was. What else was I using? Yo, Nick, you have to get this part on the video right here. This part, Nick, you need to find this. This needs to be on the video. This part was hilarious. I just remembered this part. Thank you, Moni, for throwing that in the chat. When I caught that fucking banger and I decided to call house server or room keeping or fucking room service and tell them fucking we need 50 shots. That's what you need in the video. So you need to call JJ, find that, because that was amazing. Yo, this guy right here is what's been printing everyone paper. Have that in your VOD. JJ, find the clip and send it to Nick, please. And I need to make a short out of this. JJ, if you can fucking start making some shorts out of those VODs, I'd fucking appreciate it. What is this? What is in the chat now? Like, what are we throwing in the chat? Like, you guys are pretty. You guys want to know something here? What did this guy just say? Just wasn't 35K to 160. Jesus Christ! You guys want to know something here? Can I get a 1 if you guys want to know something? Everything we do here is for entertainment purposes. We are not financial advisors. Everything we do here is for entertainment. NFA. We are not financial advisors. We are here just to entertain the community and have a great time with our lovely community, guys. We just sit here, look at charts, and just talk with the chat, guys. Very simple. You can enjoy the free Discord that we have completely free with well over 30,000 members. Can I see production team? Can I see what is our current win streak? I think we have won 54 days out of 56. We have 2 losing days for certain. I think 53 or 54, 55 winning days, 2 losing days. How much have we given away in 3 months time? I think today marks our 3-month mark, $47,000. We're averaging $15,000 in giveaways every single month. Every single month we are giving away free money. We're giving away free plays. We're giving away free psychology. We're giving away entertainment, guys. We are just solid entertainers doing what we do. Proofs in the pudding. Traders trading, making a living off trading. Psych class. Ego, we will be running the psych class, if not this week, next week. I do owe you guys a psychology class and I will be giving it to you guys. What is this picture? Holy shit, that picture is amazing. I do need to save that. That is a great picture. Very good picture. Just get another text. Oh my God. $150,000 for the day. These are the type of people you want to be around, guys. Doesn't it load? $154,000 for the day. Jesus. Darth, you're on prop accounts. This guy's on a real account. But guys, it was a pleasure. We're going to get out of here. In case you guys forgot, everything we do here is for entertainment purposes. We are not financial advisors. We have so many free things to offer inside of this Discord. There is the free Trump tweets where you can be up to date with what Trump is saying and how Uncle D is just moving the fucking market. We have free gamma. We have free bots. We have so much free things, economic calendars, economic updates, the futures newsletters, futures watch lists, so many different things, block trades, all types of things where you can see the MOT indicators. It's all sitting there. And if you do want to learn how to trade like Max, Max has his own mentorship. If you want to learn how to trade like me, I have my own mentorship. If you want to learn how to trade like both of us, we do have the Futures One course. All we ever ask for is for you guys to just use code BDM and P2P. Well, BDM is for every single prop firm. This guy has the best code on every single prop firm. If you want us to continue with these giveaways, that's all we ask for. They give us accounts, we give them to you guys. We spread the love for you guys. And I only use TPT. So if you're gonna use code TPT, code P2P, you'll help me get some accounts because Max is gonna get these accounts. He's fucking famous, guys. I'm working my way there. I'm getting some free accounts. We're giving them away to the family. Appreciate you guys. I think we had a crazy day. One and done. We watched the market move over in one day. We had 1,600 points up, 1,200 back down. We moved over 3,000 points today and was disciplined enough to just take one trade. One trade. Saw my 200 points in 1 minute. I don't care that I missed out on an extra 500 points because money missed is not money lost, guys. Always remember that. Discipline is key. Patience pays. Patience will pay for Porsches, guys. Darth, very good job today. And I'm out of here, guys. It was a pleasure. Don't forget, Logan's gay.